And Mohamed, is this really the first time that we've had you on in 2023?
It is. I took some weeks off, and it's really good. And I don't know what has happened. Joe sounds like a globalist. You take him to Davos, and he comes back like a total globalist.
I'm feeling global after being there. No kidding. And you're feeling like a Bengals fan.
I am. Impressive performance, Joe. Congratulations.
Thank you. It was. Don't congratulate me. You know, it's going to take me a while to start believing again after all the wounds, 30 years of 40.
That's
Mohamed,
2 years in a row, Joe. I mean, you got to start believing.
Burrow is making me a believer. I hope he doesn't wear one of those crazy outfits before next week's game.
Well, you become a globalist. I can't get over this. You a globalist. I just cannot get over it.
No, did you watch last week? I did. I even said I started to miss. It'll be a better world if China reopens, Mohamed. I can't believe I'm saying that. And we need. They're not going to be us. We're not going to be them. We can't expect to get that they're going to just be perfect, or any other country is going to be perfect. And we just need. Right? That's how I became a globalist.
What did they give you to drink there, Joe?
Kool-Aid, obviously.
Yeah.
Hey, Mohamed, let's talk about what's happening this year. So far, the year is young, 23 days in, but you are talking about some pretty phenomenal rallies that you've seen in stocks and bonds to this point. You think that trend continues?
You are for three reasons, and you heard it. One is economic prospects have improved. Two is the market feels inflation is mostly behind us, the problem. And three, the Fed has signaled that it's going to downshift to 25 basis points. And not only have we done well domestically, we've done even better internationally with two big trades from the U.S. to the rest of the world and into bonds. I look forward and I see many potential outcomes for this year. The one that Joe cited a few minutes ago is certainly a possibility, not a probability, but there's also others. So I think the year we're going to romance different outcomes with respect to growth, inflation, and the Fed.
Okay. Larry Summers was a little more sanguine about the environment, what the Fed's going to have to do. But he did make the point last week that the one thing we have to make certain is that inflation is really dead and it doesn't come back to haunt us, so that we don't have to fight this fight twice. I would assume you're kind of in the same camp on that.
I am. And the inflation dynamics themselves are not very encouraging, because what has happened is inflation has moved from the goods sector to the services sector. And that's much harder to contain. So I'm in the very, very small camp who thinks that they should not downshift to 25 basis points. They should do 50. They should take advantage of this growth window we're in. They should take advantage of where the market is, and they should try to tighten financial conditions, because I do think that we still have an inflation issue.